Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a crypto community with Discord, full guide step by step clearly. Creating a crypto community on Discord can seem daunting, but it's entirely manageable with a few systematic steps. First, ensure you have a clear vision for your community. Define your goals and the purpose of the community. Determine the niche within the crypto space that you want to focus on, such as trading, investing, or blockchain technology. Next, set up a Discord account if you don't already have one. Once logged in, click on the plus icon to create a new server. Choose whether to start from scratch or use a template. It's often beneficial to start from scratch to customize your server fully. Name your server appropriately, reflecting your community's focus. Select a region for optimal performance. After creating your server, it's time to organize it. Start by creating different channels for various topics. Consider adding channels for announcements, general discussions, trading tips, and technical analysis. Set up a channel for off-topic conversations to help build community camaraderie. Create voice channels for real-time discussions, especially during market events. Next, establish clear rules for behavior within the community. Write a detailed set of rules that promote respect and discourage spam. Pin these rules in an easily accessible channel, such as hashtag rules. Now, it's essential to assign roles to manage your community effectively. Create roles like admin, moderator, and member to designate authority levels. Assign specific permissions to these roles to control access to different channels. Recruit moderators who are knowledgeable about crypto and can help maintain order. Engage with your community by initiating discussions and encouraging participation. Host regular events, such as AMAs or trading competitions, to bring members together. Promote your Discord server on social media platforms and crypto forums. Share your server link in relevant groups and communities without spamming. Collaborate with existing crypto influencers or communities to increase visibility. Continue to provide valuable content and resources to your members. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.